Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve x plus 33 divided by 35 plus x plus 50 divided by 29 plus x plus 27 divided by 64 is equals to 6. And we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I am going to write the left hand side same and take the right hand side plus 6 to this side. Plus 6 come here with minus 6 sign is equals to 0. Now I am going to split this minus 6 into 3 parts. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 is equals to 0. Now I am going to pair up with these number. First I am going to pair with minus 2 this plus x plus 50 by 29 this with minus 3 plus x plus 27 by 64 with minus 1. It's equals to 0. Now I'm taking the LCM, least common multiple. So x minus 33 minus, here is 1. So 35 times 2 is 70 plus 29. So x plus 50 minus 29 times 3 is 87 plus 64. So x plus 27 minus 64 is equals to 0. Plus. So x plus 33 minus 70 is minus 37 divided by 35 plus x plus 50 minus 87 is minus 37 divided by 29 plus 27 minus 64 is minus 37 divided by 64 is equals to 0. Now I can take x minus 37 is common from the numerator. So what is left? 1 by 35 plus 1 by 29 plus 1 by 64 is equals to 0. Now we have two factors. So case 1, when x minus 37 is equals to 0. And case second, when 1 divided by 35 plus 1 divided by 29 plus 1 by 64 is equals to 0. So as we know, this is a fractional part and so it can never be 0. So we are going to reject this case. So x minus 37 is equals to 0. So I'm going to add 37 both sides. So the value of x is 37. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.